down Sandoval to my video bike check.
Started out good, ended up bad. You like a pop song all stuck up in my head. Finally read the lyrics, understood what they meant when I spent all my money and my goddamn rent. Now I'm trying to figure out if it was worth it. Matter of fact, I know the answer. It was no pitch. Chilling on the island.
So the frame is a 567 Total BMX Cold-Worn Signature with a 20.6 top tube. Then Colony stem, official stem. S&M Slam XLT bars with ODI grips. S&M Pitchfork XLTs. Front rim is a Profile Mini with tie bolts with Primo spokes, alloy nipples, and Alienation Deviant rim. Then got the Total BMX prototype seat. Profile Boss Cranks 175 with Expedo race off pedals and Profile Spline Drive 28 tooth sprocket. Then the back rim is Profile Mini left hand drive, tie bolts, tie driver, the Primo spokes, alloy nipples, fly rim. Got Demolition Momentum tires.
Motherfuckers say yes, they just tryna be a homie. When they see you on the top, they want a little piece of it, but they ain't getting nothing. It's going to my nieces and my cousins. I'm having babies by the dozens. Pop them out the oven like an egg McMuffin. Always up to nothing, but baby, you're something. Like it when you're bumping down the street and you're pumpkin. Wishing it was just you and me in the moment. I'm thinking that it's summer. You sipping the Corona and I'm humming a song that you love, and you tell me that you love it. Just then we feel the buzz and our bodies start touching. Even though I know how it ends, I don't wanna interrupt it.